Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews. Today we want to talk about the brand registry and why you should do so, especially if you are owner of a brand, and why you should use brand registry. To sum up, it's not only about brand building. There are a lot of more chances and benefits you can use, but before we go deeper into it, please feel free to subscribe our channel and ring the bell to stay informed and get the notifications when we release new videos. And if you are into data on the SERP sites or on the PDP, just feel free to use the AMALYZE browser extension. But now let's start. I think one of the most common knowledge about the brand registry is that you need an enrolled brand if you want to use all Amazon ad types like sponsored brands and sponsored display ads. And if you're talking about sponsored brands, you will not only miss one ad type, you will miss 3 types of ads if you're talking about the product collections or the store spotlights at the one side and the Amazon sponsored brand video ads on the other side. So that is a big opportunity you will miss without a brand. Here you will see a few examples. A lot of Amazon ad space on the PDPs and on the SERPs, and hopefully you will not miss them, so register your brand. On the other side, we have Amazon sponsored display ads with specific optimization types for impressions, visits or conversions, and these are also combined with specific audience types. Let's talk about the Amazon audiences in the US. Over 6,000 different audiences in Europe, over 2,000 different Amazon data-based audiences, and we have got the fuse remarketing you cannot use for purchased, so that you can contact customers which purchased your products or that have visited your products before or competitor products. Really interesting and really impressing ad type. You are missing all the chances to get in touch with the customer with that sort of ads, as you can see it here. Next to the normal Amazon advertising is the Amazon Attribution. Amazon Attribution is especially built up to make sure you can also measure your non-Amazon channels and your cross activities of your marketing when it comes to specific usage and how you can include your normal social search and email video activities with Amazon and measure the sales performance on Amazon. You will not have any data for that, and you cannot measure, optimize and plan your activities. Also really interesting is one hidden treasure from my point of view. The Amazon store is really helpful to get more purchases or raising up the costs per order, the purchases per order. Course in the stores, the customer is more likely spending more money and purchasing more products. It's a multi-page shopping experience, really cool to design. The UX to handle it and set it up is really awesome, made up by Amazon, and you will also miss that. So you will have no own store, you will not have the possibility to send sponsored brand ads directly to your store, and you will not have a unique URL with your brand that is possible to use in social marketing to directly send a customer in your Amazon store. Like that, you will also miss the chance to use Amazon A+ content, normally known as EBC for sellers, enhanced brand content, and EMC, enhanced marketing content for the normal Amazon vendor, which is selling their own products in a B2B system to Amazon. you will not be able to use that. We are talking here about two different styles: the normal enhanced product description with that cool banners and creatives you can use, and also combine it with bigger texts. Really interesting when you use that, especially for mobile customer journey. Of course, normally the EBC or A+ is placed above the bullet points or other content parts. Not really new, but it has gotten a great update: brand story, an additional content type with different banners and creatives. You can build it up by your own, and you can create your own brand story, a specific own placement on the product detail pages. You're seeing here one example, and you will also miss that. And when it comes to experiments, manage your experiments, A/B split testing, you have only the opportunity to use that when you are a brand owner. So use the brand registry if you want to use A/B split tests, for example at the moment for title or main image, and in the future you will also got the possibility to create new experiments for enhanced brand content A+. Really impactful to see that data, how the customers are interacting with the different titles, pictures, or EBC. You will also miss that. One of the most powerful tools is brand analytics, and brand analytics also need Amazon Brand Registry. You will get access to Amazon search term reports, absolutely impressive, item comparison report, alternate purchase report, market basket report, and repeat purchase behavior report. Absolutely awesome how many data Amazon is offering to you in brand analytics. And if you're talking about Amazon search terms, we all know you will get access to the most clicked ASINs under the specific search term, including the click share and the conversion shares under each keyword for the top 3 most clicked ASINs. Absolutely incredible. And you will also miss Amazon Wine. Amazon Wine is the only real opportunity to get reviews from Amazon directly, up to 30 reviews, and that is really cool. But Amazon Brand Registry is one of the absolute basics to use Amazon Wine. One new thing released in Amazon US is the brand referral bonus. You also need Amazon Attribution to use that. Here it's really cool. Of course, if you're sending your own traffic from external to Amazon, you will receive a bonus of every purchase to your brand up to 13 days after clicking on the ads. You can earn up to an average of 10% of the sales coming from your traffic you have driven to Amazon. Also really cool, but to enroll that you need a brand. And if it comes to Amazon ads, we have a specific new feature. It's called Brand Matrix, and as the name says, Brand Matrix, you need to have a brand, or you need to be the brand owner, and that includes Brand Registry. Here are cool data about engaged shopper rate, customer conversion rate, and new to brand customers. That is really cool if you want to measure your relevance of your brand to the specific categories. Really helpful to see and have that data. But there are more possibilities and chances with a brand registry. For example, a completely owned brand registry support tool where you can manage who is authorized on your brands, who is authorized to sell under your brand or list specific products, of your brand. Maybe you are sharing the brand with another seller or vendor. Also, you can report potential infringements, and you have completely opportunities for violation reporting. And with the brand registry support, you have a specific team that is only managing that topics connected to violations, and you haven't got that opportunity without brand registry. The brand registry support also includes problems with listings, technical issues, Project Zero, we will talk about that later, or if you want to report about intellectual property or marketplace policy violations of some competitors. And so feel free to start with a brand registry. It's not only about brand building, brand awareness, it's just about handling problems with your own products. If it comes to more opportunities, Amazon released posts, I think now 2 years ago, and you need a brand registry to get the opportunity to use that. It's really a big one, because that is some kind of social media network. They are showing the posts on the PDPs on the mobile. The posts are shown in the search engine result page in the SERPs, and also with the brand feeds, and you can use that unique URL to get external traffic in your post feed, and you can then get connected with your followers and also show new products and interact with your followers. Amazon is working out that process more and more, and it will be coming to Europe, I hope, in 2022. Also in Europe, we are missing that AMALYZE. That is really cool. I like it. Amazon Prime Day, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and specific events like Halloween, or corporations with influencers like you were seeing here, Cassandra Bankson or Lindsay Arnold, are getting more and more intense usage all about the different situations on Amazon. And you're seeing here one big sponsored placement of AMALYZE for the brand Car Pass, with all the different products you can directly start to watch, you can directly start to purchase, and that is really an impressive functionality of Amazon, and you need brand registry for that. If it comes into the situation of protecting your brand, Amazon Transparency, one of the programs Amazon is offering to you and to selling partners, but you need a brand registry also for that. Transparency is a special product serialization service, and Amazon is scanning all products of you. If it's fulfilled by Amazon or shipped directly by selling partners, Amazon scans every possible individual transparency enabled code and will ensure that you only send authentic products to your customers. Really cool. Brand registry, absolutely necessary for that. And the second situation combined with that is Amazon Project Zero. Your brand must be enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry with a government registered trademark typically, and you have the opportunity for self-service counterfeit removal. You can activate an automated protection, and Amazon is scanning over 5 billion daily listing update attempts looking for suspected counterfeits. Really cool, and combined with a product serialization, as we have talked about, transparency program. So, to sum up, a short list and overview about brand registry, but why, from my point of view, brand building, brand awareness, and all that specific marketing blah is interesting, but it's more important to understand the possibilities with a registered brand, sponsored display ads, brand referral bonus, Amazon Attribution, sponsored brands including sponsored brand video ads, brand analytics with all the different reports with keyword reports and all that stuff. Brand matrix in the Amazon ads to show your situation in the different categories. Ampersand transparency program, project zero to get rid of counterfeits. The brand store, the brand story, EBC, A+, to show your customers a perfect site, and at the end a brand store where you can send your customers via ads on the PDP directly if they are clicking on your brand. And Amazon Posts, Amazon Live, to get in touch with your customer, to communicate with them, to get followers, yeah. And Amazon Wine if you're looking for reviews, and at the end Amazon Manage your experiments to set up A/B split tests for main image, title, and in the future also for EBC and A+. Yeah, from my point of view, there is no reason why not using Amazon Brand Registry. It's absolutely powerful and it is offering a lot of opportunities, a lot of possibilities, and directly start to register your brand and register your brand also on Amazon. Yeah, thanks for watching, and of course also feel free to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay informed and get notifications if we are releasing new videos. And if you're looking for more data directly in the SERP or on the PDP, install the AMALYZE browser extension.